Druva now delivers Claude protection and governance, providing backup, recovery, and discovery for AI-generated knowledge and intellectual property. Complex relationship integrity is preserved and can even isolate multiple user identities on a single endpoint via a unique machine user ID tracking. Administrators can bypass broad destructive system rollbacks to execute granular object restoration. Beyond Claude, Druva also extends cyber resilience directly to Microsoft Copilot, connecting to the Microsoft tenant using an automated Azure AD application authorization flow. Druva independently isolates and secures prompts, responses, summaries, and recommendations, and administrators can rely on automated background schedules or manually trigger an on-demand backup. When data is lost or a compliance audit demands immediate validation, Druva delivers operational certainty during recovery. The granular snapshot viewer allows administrators to inspect individual point-in-time chat interactions. When it comes to connecting your AI tools to backup telemetry, Druva MCP brings trusted intelligence from the Druva Resilience Cloud directly into the AI assistants customers already use. Let's look at how it works with Claude. From the connector settings, I add Druva as a remote MCP server. There is no local infrastructure to deploy and no collection of individual plugins to manage. Druva MCP inherits the existing Druva authentication and role-based access controls. Claude can only access information that the authenticated user is already authorized to view. The administrator does not need to navigate multiple consoles or manually export reports. Next up, let's demonstrate a Microsoft Copilot use case. In the prompt, I am asking Copilot to review administrative activity and identify potentially suspicious behavior. The agent selects the appropriate investigation skills and analyzes authorized audit data for failed logins and multiple source IP addresses. Instead of returning a large collection of raw audit events, Druva MCP helps the assistant prioritize the findings and recommend the next steps. A successful recovery starts with reliable backups built directly into our platform. Dru SRE analyzes your environment, pinpoints root causes, and provides actionable resolution steps. The tool builds on this platform-wide context. It analyzes signals across the environment. Instead of looking at individual backup jobs or workloads in isolation, Dru SRE groups related events and summarizes the most important issues, turning thousands of operational signals into prioritized, explainable, and actionable guidance. Customers move from reactive backup monitoring to continuous backup reliability.